Howdy everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today we are going to go through the events that have been not happening, is a better way to put it, in the cryptocurrency space. So if you go over to my website, quantlabs.net, here we have track records. I've talked about this numerous times, but I'm going to download the latest. In here being Monday, March 11th, 2019, there has been discovered a bug the time period missing between the 6th of March and the 10th of March. So we will, everything's now working, which is great, I guess. But nothing's been missed because we'll collect the latest data. So we'll just do that. We will download our P&L zip file. We're going to take a look at how the markets have been doing for the last few days, which have been not very exciting. But we're still up. We're still up profitable, but it's now looking at the downside of cryptocurrency space. Let me just show you what I mean here. I'll post some photos on my Instagram to get you up to date over the last few days. Last week was pretty notoriously good, but you can see the negative moves here on the 24-hour on the big top. The occasional ones doing quite well. So for about 10 days, it was really double-digit returns, but we're now back to getting slapped back down to negative, not negative, but profitable, but just not double digits. So let's check out what our reports are saying. So first of all, we have our P&L CSV file. Let me just decide. Let me just use this app here. So right now, we're doing okay. So up until the 3rd of March, we have been doing okay, but it stopped. So after the 8th and 9th, we're missing here of March, but we are caught up. So this is what we're looking at, the most recent 4.37, which is still a pretty decent return. But you can see here 2.7% return for the day is pretty low, but it's still still exceeding the 1 or even 2% goals that we're always after when it comes to any trading. So even on a conservative side, it's still doing all right. And then we're still maintaining a fairly decent high win ratio of about 80%. Here we're at 95% for the day of March 10th, which was yesterday. So we're doing all right there. Let's check out the current track record. This will slow down a little bit over the last few days, which is okay. I'm not going to cry about it, but you can see here our Sharpe ratio is getting out of control. Our compounded annual growth rate here is doing pretty good, 0.47%. Personally, I think it's a lot higher than that. But as we complete out, I would anticipate we'll get better results with more data as each month passes. So I'm hoping by the end of April we'll better gauge at how this strategy is working. I'm working on other strategies as well. The account's already funded, but we will be scaling up the positions probably later in the week. So initially I'll be continuing to do the tiny minimal amounts that we've been doing, but as I said, I'll be scaling up the position sizes later in the week. So it's a lot. It's about it was $20 now. It's like I think almost 400 US dollars or something. So we'll have a lot more, pretty well 10 times to play with if I put about half of the account and deploy that daily, and hopefully exponentially grow that account. What I've been tracking is I have the potential to double money every 5 to 10 days. Double the account size every 5 to 10 days. But as you could tell, the trajectory is definitely slowed down. So let's do one last thing here. Look at the equity curve. Equity curve should be impressive, which it has, but it was much steeper up until this point, and these are the last 2 days where the account has definitely slowed down. So that's not too bad. So as you can see here, as I said, things have definitely slowed down in the crypto asset space. Now, a couple of more things I wanted to mention is we have our event happening. Let me just see if I can find it. Well, let's do this. So if you go over to the Facebook Quant Labs net page, I leverage now a lot off of Quant Labs, or sorry, off of Facebook. So I posted an event for tonight, again Monday 11th, March 11th. Where is it? And here it is somewhere. Not now. Okay, I guess it doesn't want me to show you that. Well, here we are. So if we go under events, yeah, so we have another Q&A about automated trading bot tonight at 7 p.m., 11 p.m. So you can go there and get more information on it. And we have the other event on the 23rd in downtown Toronto. You can get details there as well. Over now. Talk to you later.